Cracking your back feels good, but does it really harm you? The common belief is that it causes permanent damage or gets you hooked like a bad habit. In truth, the sound is actually caused by gas bubbles escaping from your joints. Research shows no evidence of cracking causing harm or leading to arthritis. Chiropractors crack the back professionally, yet we don't see them discouraging it due to risk. So, while you should be careful not to strain yourself, you can enjoy the comforting relief without the looming fear of damage.